Anubhav Roy. Anubhav Roy is a computer science engineer with a PGDM in marketing management, bringing 4 years of digital marketing experience and a background in the construction industry. With first-hand experience in implementing IoT application, Anubhav skillfully blends technical and marketing expertise. Currently, he is focused on promoting Magni Telehandlers, leveraging his dual expertise to drive brand growth. Mr. Roy will share his thoughts on preventive maintenance of access equipments.
Preventive maintenance is very important if we want to maintain our equipment for a longer time. So, preventive maintenance is a proactive approach to maintaining equipment to prevent breakdowns and extend the life of the machinery. Suppose before starting an equipment, we will check hydraulic levels, hydraulic oil levels, and other things so that it won't cause issues during the trips or journeys the equipment is going to do. In this presentation, I will discuss the importance of preventative maintenance for access equipment, outline its benefits, and provide key practices to ensure equipment longevity. So first of all, what is preventive maintenance? Preventive maintenance involves regular planned maintenance activities aimed at preventing unexpected equipment failures. It includes scheduled inspections, adjustments, cleaning, lubrication, and parts replacement. So there are some components of preventive maintenance that should be always taken care of, such as scheduled inspections, which means regularly checking equipments to identify potential issues. Next, routine servicing. That means performing maintenance checks according to the manufacturer guidelines. Every equipment manufacturer or dealer provides you with guidelines that you should check before maintaining the equipment, otherwise the warranty will be void. While servicing the equipment, we should also maintain detailed logs of maintenance activities and equipment performance. Difference between preventive maintenance and reactive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is proactive, aiming to prevent problems even before they occur, while reactive maintenance is reactive, dealing with equipment failures as they happen. That leads to higher costs and downtime. Suppose a vehicle is operating at a mine or a construction facility and it breaks down. That will hamper its time and overall increase the cost. The contractor or the dealer will after all suffer losses. Benefits of preventive maintenance for access equipment. Enhance safety. Regular maintenance ensures that equipment is in safe operating conditions and thus reducing the risk of accidents. Increased equipment lifespan. Consistent care and timely replacement of parts extend the life of access equipment. Cost savings. Preventive maintenance reduces the likelihood of major repairs and unexpected downtime, saving money in the long run. Improved efficiency and performance. Well-maintained equipment operates more efficiently, leading to better performance and productivity. Similar to other industrial and construction equipment, Magni Telehandlers also benefit from preventive maintenance. However, they don't require maintenance like other equipments available in the market because they are self-serviced equipments. They even feature reverse fan drive, for which they don't require as much service because they can clean their parts on their own. Preventive maintenance practices for access equipment. Regular inspection. Conducting visual and functional checks to identify any potential issues. Scheduled servicing. Following the manufacturer's maintenance schedule to ensure timely servicing. Lubrication and cleaning. Keep moving parts well lubricated and cleaned to prevent wear and tear. Replacement of worn parts. Replace parts that show signs of wear to prevent further damage. Keeping maintenance records. As already said, maintenance records are very important of all maintenance activities, including dates, actions taken, and parts replaced. So, in the bottom line, preventive maintenance is important for ensuring the safety, efficiency, and longevity of access equipment. Regular inspections, scheduled servicing, lubrication, cleaning, and timely part replacement are important practices. Consistency in maintenance activities prevent unexpected failures and extend equipment lifespan. Investing time and resources in preventive maintenance pays off in the long run by enhancing safety, reducing costs, and improving equipment performance.
So thank you so much, Mr. Roy, for sharing your views on the key to longevity of access equipment.